Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Polynomials Part 7. In this session we are going to discuss the value of a polynomial and practice set 3.4. Friends, in the previous session of this topic Polynomials Part 6, we have been discussed with the following important subtopics of this chapter, that is problems based on the synthetic division method and problems from the practice set 3.3. Today in this session we are going to discuss with value of a polynomial. Friends, let us start with value of a polynomial. In a polynomial, if variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. For example, if we replace this x by 2 in the polynomial x plus 7, we get 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is the value of that polynomial. If p of x is a polynomial in x, then the value of the polynomial for x is equal to a is written as p of a. For example, let us consider find the value of the polynomial p of x, which is equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. So solution will be polynomial p of x is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. X is replaced by 2. Therefore, we will get 2 into 2 square is 4 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 5. Here you will get that 8 minus 6 plus 5. Therefore, you will get 7. So friends, let us write the solution as p of 2 is equal to 7. Let us start with practice set 3.4. For x is equal to 0, find the value of the polynomial x square minus 5x plus 5. Friends, here it is given that polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. Put x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 square minus 3 into 0 plus 5. X is replaced with 0. So, here we will get 2 into 0 square is 0 minus 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5. Therefore, 2 into 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 plus 5, the result is 5. Therefore, you can write the p of 0 will be equal to 5. Friends, let us start with problem number 2. If p of y is equal to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1, then find p of 3 root 2. Here, friends, polynomial p of y is equal to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1. Now put y is equal to 3 root 2 in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of 3 root 2 is equal to bracket 3 root 2 bracket raised to square, means we are going to substitute the value of y minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. So friends, 3 root 2 bracket raised to square will be 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2, 9 into 2. There we will write 9 2s are 18 minus 9 2s are 18 plus 1. So the result what you get is 1. Therefore, you can write p of 3 root 2 is equal to 1. Friends, let us start with problem number 3. If p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then find p of a plus p of minus a is equal to what? Friends, here polynomial p of m is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. Put m is equal to a in the given polynomial. So you will get that p of a is equal to a cube plus 2 into a square minus a plus 10. So it could be p of a is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. It is equation 1. Put m is equal to minus of a in the given polynomial. Therefore, p of minus a is equal to minus a bracket raised to cube plus 2 to minus a bracket raised to square minus of minus a plus 10. Therefore, p of minus a is equal to minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. It is equation 2. Now, adding this equation 2 in equation 1, we get that p of a plus p of minus a is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. It is the value of p of a plus second p of minus a's value is minus of a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Here you will find that a cube and minus a cube will get cancelled. Then 2a square plus 2a square, that will be 4a square, minus a plus a get cancelled, plus 10 and plus 10, that will be plus 20. Therefore friends, p of a plus p of minus a is equal to 4a square plus 20. Problem number 4. If p of y is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7, then find p of is given. Put y is equal to 2 in the given polynomial. Therefore we can write p of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 raised to 3 minus 6 into 2 raised to 2 minus 5 into 2 plus 7. Therefore 2 into 2 cube is 8, minus 6 into 2 square is 4, minus 5 2s are 10 plus 7. Here we will get that 8 2s are 16, minus 6 4s are 24, minus 10 plus 7. After simplification, you are getting the value as minus 11. Therefore friend, you can write p of 2 is equal to minus 11. Friends, what we have been discussed today. In this session, we have discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is value of a polynomial and the problems from the practice set 3.4. So friends, will you try these problems? Find the value of p of y, where 2y cube minus 2y plus root of 7 for y is equal to minus 2. If p of x is equal to 2x square minus x cube plus x plus 2, then find the p of 0. If the value of the polynomial m square minus am plus 7 for m is equal to minus 1 is 10, then find the value of a. If p of x is equal to x cube minus 7x minus 6, then find the value of p of 1, and find the value of p of m is equal to 2m cube minus 5m plus root 3 for m is equal to 2. So friends, these problems are easy, you can attempt them. At the same time, you should not forget the famous words of Dalai Lama. In order to carry a positive action, we must develop here a positive vision. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon in order to have a notification of the next videos. So with these words, I would like to say thank you.